Hey guys, this is Martin Perdomo, the Elite Strategist, and in this video I want to share with you how to get access to the money the government has in this Coronavirus CARES Act. Okay guys, listen, I've read all 880 pages of this bill. I know this thing inside out, and in this video I want to share with you how you can access this money, what you need to know about it, who qualifies, and what you need to qualify. Okay, so the official name of this thing is HR 748, Corona Aid, Relief and Economic Security Act, or CARES Act. Guys, in 2008, I went through the Great Recession of 2008 as a small business owner, like many of you. I was in the mortgage business, so I saw it firsthand, and I was a real estate investor, and I had bought property during that time. So one thing that I vowed not to go through again was through that pain I went through back then. I vowed that I was going to learn and that I was going to educate myself in the next recession, and that's what I've done, guys. And now I'm able to anticipate what's coming, and I'm able to help you guys take advantage of the opportunity so you don't go through the pains that I went through in 2008. Okay, so you know, there's two types of loans for small businesses. There's what we call a 7A loan. And let's talk about who qualifies for that loan. Okay, who qualifies for that loan is all self-employed individuals. Okay, if you're self-employed individual, an independent contractor, and non-for-profits. So if you're a realtor, okay, there's 53 million small businesses in this country. In there, the government includes independent contractors. So you're a solopreneur working from home, you're a realtor, you're an insurance agent, you're a sales guy, a guy that goes out and sells construction jobs, you're an independent contractor. You qualify for either one of these loans. Just want to let you know. But there's a difference, okay guys? I'm going to share with you what you need to do so the loan becomes forgivable and it becomes a grant and you don't have to pay it back as per the bill itself. Okay, this is not me making it up. This is right from the bill itself. Okay, word for word. Some of these things are word for word. So here we go. On the 7A loan, who qualifies? Self-employed individuals, independent contractors, not-for-profit. On the 7B, same thing. Same people qualify. Loans amount under the 7A loan is up to $10 million. This is one of the main differences. On the 7B loan, you get a maximum of 200,000, which is most small businesses are going to play here, depending on, I'm going to tell you in a minute, depending on one thing, but you get a $10,000 advance within 3 days. That's huge, ladies and gentlemen. That's one of the biggest difference is the loan amounts and the amount of time you can get. The government wants to help us. The government wants to help you. The government wants to put money back into the economy. Take advantage of it. Educate yourself. Learn what you need to know in order to get this money. Okay, allowable uses for this money are, you need to use it for payroll costs. That means if you yourself are on payroll, you can also pay yourself through this loan. Okay, cost of related group health benefits, paid sick leave, family leave, and insurance premiums, employee salaries, commissions, or similar compensations, payments of interest on mortgages, on any mortgages actually related to your business, rent under lease agreement. So if you have if your business, you pay rent or you have a mortgage, you can use this money for that. Utilities, so light, phone, internet, all right? Interest of any other debt obligation incurred before the covered period. The covered period is before the government deemed the coronavirus a pandemic, which as per the bill, in some areas it says February 15, okay? So then and oh, by the way, this is a big one. This is a big one, right? This is a big one. If you're a restaurant owner or you have a business that you have tipped workers, right, that you have workers that get paid on tips, they qualify. They're eligible recipients for you to include in your payroll. So you can use this money, okay, for those workers, for your tip workers. Qualifications, okay, for a 7A loan. The business needs to be in operation or on or before, there it is, guys. February 15th, 2020. On or before February 15, 2020, that's when this act says we went into the pandemic. In business, for the 7B loan, you need to have been in business at least 1 year. So there's no waiver for business not operational before 1/31/20. So if your business wasn't in operation before 1/31/20, the way this reads, it says there's no waiver. That means there is no exception if you were in business before 1/31/2020. But saying that also presupposes that they would make exceptions if you were in business before then, as this document reads, okay? That's word for word from this document here. All right, guys, listen. This is just the tip of the iceberg of all of the things that you need to learn and understand. I'm hosting a webinar this week, in the next few days here. Guys, if you want to get in this webinar and get all of this information plus much more, you want to go to www.coronavirusstimulus.com. That's coronavirus, 1S, stimulus.com. Coronavirusstimulus.com, and registered so you can get notified, as we are currently working on putting the content together for that webinar for you. I'm taking all the important things out of there. What's really important to the small business owners, to the American people, and I'm simplifying it for you. And I'm going to give you a step-by-step what you need to do, what you need to understand here. Guys, please, if you like this video, you found value, please share it. Share it with someone that needs to understand this stuff. This is what it's for. This is where I got it from. I got it right from the bill. I spent reading 880 pages. That's a lot of work, my friends. I did all the heavy lifting for you. Guys, thank you for watching. This is Martin Perdomo, the Elite Strategist, and stay well.